Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the host in Zoom. Whether you are hosting a meeting and need to transfer the role or want to hand over control, I'll guide you through the process step by step. So, let's get started. First of all, make sure you are signed in to your Zoom account and in an active meeting. Once you are in, find the participant list by clicking on the participants button at the bottom of the Zoom window. Here you will see a list of all meeting participants. To change the host, hover over the name of the person you want to assign as the new host. Click More and select Make Host. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Yes to confirm. Once you have made the change, Zoom will confirm the transfer of host privileges. The new host will now have all the control you had, including managing participants and starting or stopping the recording. You can still stay in the meeting and continue as a regular participant. And that's it. Now you know how to change the host in Zoom. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.